Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable analog triggers on the Anbernic RG556. So if you've noticed that the triggers on the Anbernic RG556 aren't working as like analog triggers but just buttons. So as you can see, this is like the analog slider and it isn't reacting, it's only reacting to the button presses. The same as on like a Nintendo Switch. Then there is a way to change that to analog triggers. And to do that, simply all you have to do is open up the control panel. So extend again, like this. And then we're going to find the NS mode button. So it's either NS mode button or Xbox mode button. And if you tap on it to enable Xbox mode, if we exit out and try the triggers out, as you can see, they now react to the amount of push that I do against the triggers. And that is how you enable that. So if you want to disable it, just enable the NS mode right here by tapping it again. And it's going to go back to being normal, just buttons. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.